In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain with Substack through a quick tutorial. So let's dive in and get started on enhancing your Substack presence with a custom domain, making your content more professional and personalized. First off, head over to your Substack home. This is your main dashboard where you can manage all your posts, track your statistics, and make various adjustments to your publication. Once you're on your Substack home, the next thing you want to do is locate the settings tab at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is your gateway to all adjustable settings for your publication, from managing your team to configuring how your emails get sent out. Once you're in the settings, look over to the left side of your screen. Here you'll find an option labeled Domain. Click on this link. This section is dedicated to anything related to your domain options, whether you want to change, update, or add a new domain. If you're looking to stand out and personalize your site, the next step is crucial. In the Add a Custom Domain section, you'll see an option to add. Click on this. It's a straightforward process, yet a significant step in aligning your personal or business branding with your Substack. Keep in mind that this step involves a financial commitment. Substack charges a one-time fee of USD $50 to enable this feature. It's important to consider if this aligns with your budget and business goals. You'll need to add your card details to proceed. Don't worry, Substack will walk you through this process securely. Double check your information to ensure everything is accurate before finalizing the transaction. Once you have your payment details entered, you'll notice a Submit button. Click on it to finalize the process. This step is necessary to activate your custom domain, integrating it seamlessly with your Substack publications. After submitting, your domain should be set up and ready to use. Finally, if you're someone who likes to have all the I's dotted and T's crossed, or if you're simply curious for more information, click on Review this guide before you begin. This guide provides more insights and detailed explanations about the setup process. Reviewing this material could be especially useful if you encounter any unforeseen issues or have further questions about domain management within Substack. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully added a custom domain to your Substack account. This not only enhances your brand by providing a personalized URL, but also potentially boosts your visibility and professionalism. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Be sure to explore more ways to tailor your Substack site and engage with your audience. Happy publishing.